Still waking up with stabbing pain in your legs at night? You might just be missing one of these 3 foods from your daily plate. If you're over 60 and struggling with leg cramps, especially at night, you're not alone. The sharp, sudden pain, the muscle locking up, the helplessness in the middle of the night, it's more common than you think. But here's the good news. The answer may not be a pill. It might be on your plate. In this video, we're breaking down the top 3 foods that can help prevent leg cramps in seniors and why they're backed by real science. Each of these foods supports the exact muscles and nerves in your legs that keep you strong and stable. Stick around, because near the end, I'll also share one common healthy food that might be making your cramps worse. Let's dive in. What really causes leg cramps after 60? Before we talk about the food, we need to understand what's going on in your body. Leg cramps after 60 are often caused by low magnesium or potassium, dehydration, poor circulation, muscle loss or sarcopenia, and certain medications like diuretics or statins. And the truth is, as we age, our bodies don't absorb nutrients the same way. So even if you're eating healthy, your muscles might still be starving. That's why these 3 foods are so powerful. They don't just taste good, they target the exact deficiencies behind those cramps. If you're finding this helpful already, don't forget to subscribe to Nitro Wellness. We keep things simple, real, and senior-friendly.
1. Bananas, but only the right way. Yep, the humble banana. You've probably heard they're good for cramps because of potassium, and you'd be right. But here's what no one tells you. Not all bananas are equal. Overripe bananas spike your blood sugar, not great for energy or inflammation. Underripe bananas, just slightly green, give you potassium without the sugar crash. Why they help? High in potassium supports muscle contraction and prevents spasms. Natural sugar plus fiber gives energy without inflammation. A 2020 study in the journal Nutrients showed that potassium-rich diets reduce the frequency of nighttime cramps in older adults by 35%. That's not nothing. Nitro Wellness tip. Slice half a banana into your morning oats, especially before walks or leg exercises. The fiber keeps your blood sugar steady while your muscles soak up that potassium. Also, always drink a glass of water with it. Potassium works best when you're hydrated. 2. Avocados. Creamy, dreamy, and muscle-saving. Avocados aren't just trendy. They're one of the most powerful muscle-supporting foods you can eat, especially after 60. Why? Avocados are packed with magnesium, which helps relax tight muscles and nerve signals, rich in healthy fats, which reduce inflammation and help absorb vitamins like D and E. Loaded with potassium, more than a banana actually. One medium avocado has about 975 milligrams of potassium. That's over 20% of what you need in a day. But here's the real benefit. Avocados help reduce muscle wasting, the slow loss of strength that makes cramps more likely. Nitro Wellness tip. Mash quarter of an avocado onto whole grain toast with a pinch of sea salt and lemon. It's the perfect anti-cramp breakfast or snack. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people over 60 who ate magnesium-rich foods daily had 42% fewer nighttime muscle cramps. By the way, if leg strength and independence matter to you, which I know they do, go ahead and tap subscribe to Nitro Wellness so you never miss our natural tips.
3. Watermelon, your summer cramps fix. This one surprises a lot of people. Watermelon isn't just refreshing, it's secretly powerful for your muscles. Here's why. Watermelon contains citrulline, an amino acid that improves blood flow to your legs. Potassium, again, that leg-loving mineral. 92% water, keeping you hydrated without even trying. One study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry showed that citrulline from watermelon can reduce muscle soreness and cramping after activity, especially in older adults. And remember, dehydration is one of the biggest silent triggers of leg cramps. Nitro Wellness tip: add a cup of chopped watermelon to your lunch, or blend it into a quick smoothie with mint and lime. It's nature's electrolyte drink, without the sugar bombs in sports drinks. The hidden problem that's causing more cramps than you think. Now that you've got your 3 foods, here's the catch. Even if you're eating all the right things, if your body can't absorb the nutrients, you're still going to cramp. Here's what might be sabotaging your progress. Problem number 1, poor gut absorption. Aging can thin the lining of the stomach, making it harder to absorb magnesium and potassium. If you've had antibiotics or acid blockers, you might not be getting the full benefit of your food. Fix: include probiotic foods like yogurt, kefir, or fermented veggies 2 to 3 times a week. Problem number 2, drinking too much caffeine or alcohol. Both of these flush out magnesium and potassium. Even 2 cups of coffee can cause a temporary dip. Fix: for every cup of coffee, drink an extra glass of water with a pinch of sea salt or lemon juice. What about supplements? You might be wondering, can't I just take a magnesium pill? You could, but food always works better for one big reason. Food gives you balance. You get not just the nutrient, but the cofactors like vitamin B6 or fiber that help your body use it. You also avoid the too much problem. Supplements can easily go overboard and cause diarrhea or even heart issues in seniors. That said, if your doctor recommends a supplement, ask for magnesium glycinate or magnesium citrate. Both are gentle and easily absorbed. And always ask before starting anything new. One healthy food that might be making your cramps worse. Ready for the twist? Many seniors try to be healthy by eating low-fat dairy, like fat-free yogurt or skim milk. But here's the problem. Low-fat dairy can lower magnesium levels. That's because when fat is removed, the body struggles to absorb fat-soluble vitamins like D and E, which are both needed to use magnesium properly. Nitro Wellness tip: if you eat dairy, go for full-fat, organic when possible, or swap it for unsweetened almond or oat milk with added magnesium. Let's tie it all together. So if you're still getting those sudden leg cramps, especially at night, here's what you can do starting today. Eat these 3 foods regularly: bananas, slightly green, avocados, watermelon. And don't forget, drink enough water, especially before bed. Keep an eye on caffeine and alcohol. Improve gut health with probiotics. Move your legs during the day. Even light stretching or walking helps circulation. These small steps, done consistently, can help you feel stronger, sleep better, and stop dreading bedtime. Listen, leg cramps are painful, frustrating, and can even feel scary. But they're not something you just have to live with. The foods we talked about today, they're not just tasty. They're your body's natural defense, helping your legs stay calm, strong, and cramp-free. So next time you build your plate, think of it like this. Every bite is either helping your legs or hurting your legs. Eat with purpose, and your legs will thank you. And hey, if you want real, natural tips like this every single week, subscribe to Nitro Wellness. We keep it simple, hopeful, and tailored just for women over 60. Now, watch this next video. Over 60, this missing food is making your muscles vanish fast. It's the missing puzzle piece your legs need to stay strong.